going to clean up our file. First thing we're going to do is to get rid of our note. So we select the note, right click, delete note or delete all notes. And then you press OK, so we don't need the note anymore. Now you want to see the view without all of the guides. So we're going to go to View, Show, and then we're going to click on Guides. So now our guides are gone. And then I believe the next thing they want us to do is View, Fit on Screen. Okay, well I already did that. And then they want to export, so File, Export, Export, and see, how do they want us to export this? Hold on a second. And see, File, choose File, Save. Choose File, Export As. Choose JPEG. So File, Export, Export As. And we choose the format as JPEG. Leave the rest of the settings and click Export. So I'm going to go ahead and export it. And then you go ahead and you save it in the correct file format. Which would be 07 underscore last name underscore first name. And then you would press save. I'm not going to export mine though. Go ahead. We're at the end. Congratulations. We finished lesson 7.